Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Netflix, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll enter to Netflix and we click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end you can turn on your airplane mode. You can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.